So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas tree inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute Christmas tree, let's first start by drawing the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to come right here and start with a curve for the top. So our Squishmallow shape is basically like my dumpling shape, but just a little bit longer. So we're going to start with a curve up here that's a little bit narrower. There, and then we're going to bring it down. And once again, like always, it's all up to you how tall or short you want your Squishmallow, because you can always squish it more, right, and make it shorter, or pull it and make it longer. But I'm going to come about right here, and it's going to get a little bit wider as we come down, kind of like drawing a, I guess an avocado or an egg part perhaps, and we're going to bring it down. So we're drawing a Christmas tree, so about right there, I'm going to bring it in. Make it a little bit taller, and then about right here, bring it in, and then we're just going to flatten out the bottom. And connect. There, so I have my big Squishmallow shape in. Then from there, we can go ahead and spruce it up and make this a Christmas tree. So to do that, let's come about right here. We're going to divide it up into 3 sections. I'm going to come right here at the top, and I'll give myself a point, and I'm going to drag it right across. So it's just easier for me to see where I'm going with my curve. And I'm just going to draw a curve all the way across. Then from there, we're going to wobble 3 curves right here to make it look like this tree has snow on it. So a little wobble here, 1. And then we're going to come down to almost the center, say about right here. And we're going to draw another curve. So I'm going to give myself another point all the way across. Just draw a curve all the way back to your point. Just kind of following that curve a little bit more. And then once again, we're going to wobble again. And 3 bigger curves this time, longer curves, and up. There. And then 1 more at the bottom. So about right here. And once again, I'm just going to drag a point across, just approximate so I know where I'm going. And up. There, and then once again, we're going to wobble, 2 and 3. There. Okay, so now I have my 3 main sections in. Let's go back, and we are going to, almost forgot, let's go up and draw our star. So I'm going to find my center of my Squishmallow here, and I'm going to say about right there. And I'm going to go up, say about this high, and give myself a point. So this is where I'm going to start to draw my star. I'm going to bring it down. 1 tip, and then we're going to go out. Same thing over here. And then we're going to bring it in. Right here, we're going to hit the Squishmallow. And we're just going to give it a little bit of an angle right in the center, because we want the star stuck on our Squishmallow. There, so we got a big nice star on the top. Then from there, let's go ahead and bring this tree to life. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and start with a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And I'm going to come right across, say about this way, and draw another circle. There. So now my 2 circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so now my eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then of course, let's give our tree a very sweet smile. So right in between the eyes in the center, I'm just going to draw a curve and cap it off. Now let's go ahead and spruce this tree up with some lights and ornaments. So whatever space you have left, let's say about right here, I'm going to start and draw a string of lights. But before I do that, I know I'm going to have a little sparkle right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw it first so that I don't have to erase. So I'm just going to draw this star right here, and then I'm going to connect it. So about right here. And then we're just going to connect it and go up with a curve for our first string. Since this is a drawing, we can just pop it out. There, so it makes it look like a string. And then I'm going to add a little diamond right here. And 2 circles. Here and here. So I'm just following the original plush. And then 1 more strand in this area. So I know I'm going to also have like another sparkle right here. So I'm just going to draw it first. This one's more extravagant, has more points. Center, down, there. And so let's go ahead and say about right here. I'm going to connect it and go across. There, with 1 strand. And then let's spruce this up. There's a diamond here as well. And then a circle. Another one right here. And since this is my Draw So Cute tree, squishmallow tree, I mean, I'm going to come right here and just add a heart. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this Christmas tree inspired by Squishmallows. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.